Hi, today we are making toast omelette. After waking up in the morning, who does not love to be weighted by a good fancy omelette along with perfectly crispy toast and a warm, huge cup of coffee? So let's make our dream into reality, shall we? By cracking two naughty eggs into a bowl. 1 tablespoon chopped onion, 1 nicely sliced spicy green chili, half tablespoon parsley or coriander. For seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes, and 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder. Turmeric really gives an earthy taste to any savory dish. Heat up the pan on medium flame and melt 2 tablespoon butter, expired or fresh, whatever you have. Add the omelette batter and cook it on low flame for 2 minutes. When top is little wet but the bottom is done, line up 2 bread slices, again expired or fresh, it's up to you. Okay, on the count of 3, flip it. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. If you do not want to burn your toast or omelette, then please subscribe to my channel. Tuck in the omelette edges onto the bread slices. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to toast up the bread slices. Okay, the bread slices are crunchy and golden, the perfect toast. Alright, the bread slices are toasted nicely. The omelette is very buttery and soft. Okay, let's slide it into my mouth. I'm gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10. So, thank you. Bye.